Ever find yourself ready to print an important document or photo only to be greeted with a frustrating error message? Or worse, no response at all? Well, you're not alone. Printer issues are a common annoyance for Windows users. But don't worry, there's almost always a solution. Firstly, let's tackle the most common problem: the printer simply not responding. This can be due to a multitude of reasons, but let's start with checking the printer's connection. Whether it's wired or wireless, ensure your printer is properly connected to your computer. If it's wired, check if the USB or Ethernet cable is securely plugged in. If it's wireless, ensure the printer is connected to the correct Wi-Fi network. Now, if the connections are all good but the printer is still not responding, it's time to check the printer's settings. Go to the control panel on your Windows computer, then select Devices and Printers. Find your printer in the list of devices and make sure it's set as the default printer. If the printer is set as the default but still not printing, the problem might be outdated or corrupted printer drivers. Drivers are software that allows your computer to communicate with the printer. To update them, go back to Devices and Printers. Right-click on your printer and select Properties. Under the General or Details tab, you'll find the option to update drivers. Click on it and follow the prompts. But what if you're dealing with poor print quality? This can be due to low ink levels, clogged print heads, or incorrect print settings. To check ink levels, go to the printer's properties under Devices and Printers and look for an option that says Ink Levels or something similar. If the ink levels are low, it's time to replace the ink cartridges. For clogged print heads, most printers have a self-cleaning feature. You can usually find this in the printer's properties under the Maintenance or Services tab. If the print quality is still poor after cleaning the print heads, check the print settings. Make sure the print quality is set to high or best. So to sum up, when dealing with printer issues on Windows, always start by checking the printer's connection and settings. If the printer is not responding, it may be due to outdated or corrupted drivers, which you can update in the printer's properties. For poor print quality, check the ink levels, clean the print heads, and ensure the print quality setting is on high or best. Remember, printers might seem complicated, but with a little patience and troubleshooting, you can get them back up and running in no time. So the next time your printer decides to throw a tantrum, you'll know exactly what to do.